Welcome back to Konfiwear. In this video, we'll show you how to add products. First, go to the Products menu and click Add New Product. Fill in the product name, the preview, and 3D models. Click Add Product. Your product will appear on the Products page. To manage it, click on the product name to open the Details view. Here, you can add categories by clicking Manage and assigning them. Next, set up your pricing. You can set a single price or create tiered pricing based on quantity by adding new lines. Congratulations on adding your new product. Thank you for watching.